Trish of The Grateful Life just finished writing a post for her blog, but she doesn't want to publish it right now. Instead, she wants to schedule this post to go out at a later time. How can she, or you for that matter, do that? When you're working on a post in Weebly, you'll notice a button called Post Options in the lower left. As the title implies, this button expands to show off a number of different options related to the post. One of which allows you to either set your post to publish immediately or to choose a different, scheduled time. You can select any day, any year, or any hour. Want this to go out in the year 3067 so that citizens of the United Solar Systems of the Galactic Republic can read what you have to say? Not a problem. Prefer a day within our own lifetimes? Then you can schedule it to go out next month, next week, tomorrow, or as soon as 30 minutes from now. Any time you want. Once your time is chosen, you'll notice that the Publish button in the upper right corner has now changed and says Schedule. Clicking that button will schedule your blog post to be automatically published at the time you've chosen. You'll see the post is now in a scheduled section at the bottom of your blog. Going to that section will show you any and all blog posts that you've scheduled that haven't gone live yet. You can click on any post to make changes to it and even alter the time that it's going to go out. And that's how you do that.